Our political correspondent Glenn Campbell reports from Brussels.
Coming together to work out how best to part. As David Cameron arrived in Brussels for Brexit talks with EU leaders, the European Parliament was debating the UK's decision to withdraw, with one Scottish representative highlighting the Remain vote in Scotland and appealing to MEPs for help to maintain Scotland's EU links.
Now, colleagues, there is a lot of things to be negotiated. We will need cool heads and warm hearts. But please remember this. Scotland did not let you down. Please, I beg you, chers collègues, do not let Scotland down now.